A friend of mine got his hands on the new Realme Buds Air, and luckily I got the chance to unbox it with him. What's up guys, welcome back to the Technical Fix. My name is Tarun, and in this video we will unbox the new Realme Buds Air and I will explain the features of it. So without further ado, let's get started. So the box comes in yellow color with a clean looking design, and when you open the box, the first thing you will see is the earbuds itself, below which you will get the USB Type-C charging cable and instructions and manuals. These are really comfortable, so you can do those head movements. Yeah, you can do that. If you are worried whether these will fit in your ears or not, you can basically go to any Apple store and check out their AirPods. If they fit, these will definitely fit. Comparing to 18,000 Apple AirPods with wireless charging with these 4,000 Realme earbuds with wireless charging, I would say I'm pretty much impressed. And as I say, these are also very comfortable and lightweight, so you will get premium feel. Although the build quality is not as much solid as the Apple's AirPods, but yeah, considering the price and the features that you will get with these, it's totally worth it. Alright, before talking about the sound quality, let me tell you about the features of these Realme earbuds. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and R1 chip, which means you will get low latency and better connectivity with your device. Speaking of connectivity, Realme offers Open Up Connect feature, which means by the time you will open up the case and put it in your ears, your earbuds will be connected to your device. Now, there is one issue though. It took us some time in order to pair these earbuds with our devices for the first time, but yeah. Once it is paired to your device, connecting these earbuds back to the device is really easy. Another cool feature that we really liked about these earbuds is wear detection. So these earbuds can detect whether you are wearing them or not. So as soon as you put them off from your ears, they will automatically pause the media, and when you put it back in, it will automatically resume the media for you. It's really good. Although we found that it's a little bit slower, like there's a delay of 1.5 to 2 seconds approx, but yeah, it works and it's really handy. I really liked it personally. It also got touch controls. You can double tap on one side to play pause the media or even pick up the calls, triple tap to skip the song, and long press on one side to launch your assistant or even cut the calls. And you can long press on both sides to launch the gaming mode. Now, gaming mode will give you really low latency while gaming with these earbuds. I could not test this myself, but as per the reviews and as per personal experience as well, I would say for gaming, if you are a hardcore gamer, don't go for wireless, always go for wired, because even those millisecond latency can also ruin your game. So for gaming, I would always suggest the wired ones. Now, this next feature is where it takes the show. These earbuds comes with a wireless charging case. So yeah, you can charge your earbuds wirelessly, and it's a great feature at this price range. And if we talk about the battery backup, these earbuds alone can give you up to 2.5 hours to 3 hours of battery backup. And if you combine it with the charging case that comes with it, it can give you up to 17 hours of battery backup. But you have to consider one thing, that 3 hours of battery backup might not be enough for you, because suppose if you are watching a movie, you would not like to put those earbuds back into the charging case in between of a movie because battery run out. So you have to consider that 3 hours is the max battery backup that it can give you while you are using them continuously. Now let's talk about the microphone quality. These earbuds comes with dual microphone and with environment noise cancellation technology. That's what Realme calls it. So with ENC technology, which simply means that it can smartly detect your words and the background noise, and it can filter out any background noise from your earphones so that the person with whom you are talking to could hear your voice clearly even in the noisy background. Well, I was not able to test this feature myself as I had the earphones for a limited amount of time, so I would leave that up to you guys whether it's good or bad. Do let me know as well. And now let's talk about the sound quality for which you guys were waiting for. So about the sound quality, all I would say is it's loud. Bass is decent, not so good, not so bad. And personally, I would say that I felt like Realme have boosted the audio levels forcefully to get that much loud audio. So there is distortion when you raise the volume levels up. So for me, it was not quite good experience. So I would like to keep the volume levels at midpoint somewhere. At that much volume level, there was no bass that I could feel. For you, it might be different because I did the research and I found out that some people liked it and some people didn't didn't like it. So based on your personal taste, you might end up liking those earbuds audio. You might end up being like me who didn't like it that much. Considering the price range and the features that it provides, I would say it's quite okay, but I would not say that it's superb or something mind-blowing. No, the audio quality, well, there exist other earbuds that you can try with better audio quality. So yeah, audio quality is something that was not so impressive to me. But yes, considering the features that I told you in these videos, these earbuds for me at 4,000 worth checking out. But if you are someone who so much cares about the audio quality above all of these features that I discussed in this video, then you can try for other ones. This one is not for you. Now guys, it's time for a special announcement. We are separating coding from the technical phase. So we are giving coding its personal space. We have created a new channel called TTF Code, in which we will be posting all the coding tutorials and tips on that channel. So if you are interested in coding, go check that channel out. Do subscribe on that channel, because we will be posting all of these coding tutorials on that channel only and not in this channel. That's it for this video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.